Alright, so I managed to pick up the same exact model of air conditioner that my dad had when I was growing up at his house. It's the Carrier Siesta. This is a 1986 model. It was made in January of 1986. And I believe that's the first year that Carrier started using rotary compressors in these rather than the older ones that look identical and have pretty much the same exact parts inside, except that it used to have a Tecumseh AE compressor. Now, I know most people that like these old things prefer the sound of the Tecumseh reciprocating compressors, but this one brings back nostalgia for me because this is this one is the sound I remember whenever I would, my dad and I would be in his room watching Star Trek. Well, he would eat popcorn and I would not because I didn't like it at the time. I know, crazy. This thing is actually in excellent working order. Here's Siesta mode, which is low. Make sure that's off. Low, or Siesta. Normal. And fast. Okay, back to Siesta. And I will turn the thermostat temperature down so the compressor kicks on. It's a Matsushita compressor, which is basically Panasonic. And as expected, it gets ice cold really quickly. Very nice. Yeah, that's already very cold. Unfortunately, though, I'm gonna have to shut this off. And I'm going to be leaving it off for a while until I get around to replacing the cord. Because prior to my ownership, someone yanked out that grounding prong. So, yep, this is a fire hazard. And I will not be running it again until that cord's replaced. Thankfully, that's an easy job. But I'm just glad that I managed to find this. And I guarantee you I will be using it. Might not be as high efficiency as, more modern ones, but this thing still works if that tells you anything. I guarantee you if I bought a new one, it wouldn't last me nearly as long as, 86, 96, 06, 16, 6. Oh, man, it's almost 40 years at this point. They do not make them like they used to.